everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new and just tuning in, I go by Cassandra Liz. Welcome. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and click that bell right beside it just to get future post notifications every Tuesday and Thursday when I do post a video. Throughout the week, I may surprisingly post more. Who knows? But welcome to my channel. So I told you guys I was going to be on it when it comes to doing these Halloween and fall makeup tutorials. Today was a very, as you guys can see, serious. I was inspired by someone on Pinterest, but then I thought like, oh my goodness, this reminds me of the Sad Widow off of 13 Ghosts. If you guys have never watched that movie, thank me later. Well, I mean, probably not thank me later, because I remember there was nights where I couldn't even sleep thinking about the guy with the nails. Oh my goodness. Ugh. This is the look that I created today. So without further ado, let's just hop into this video. Seriously, oh my goodness, when I'm about to start filming, they're mowing the lawn. So if you guys hear that in the background, I do apologize. It's going to be hella loud. It's hella annoying. This look. I noticed that like she didn't put anything on her eye, but I do want to black out this eye. I'm going to use my left side. I'm so nervous. Once my face is moisturized, I'm just going to use a glue stick. This is the washable acid-free. This is very safe to use on your face and on your eyebrows. So I'm going to pretty much glue these bad boys down. Well, on this side, I'm gluing them down. I'm just going to use a spoolie and just brush them flat. Oh no, it looks like my eyebrows have kappa. Kappa eyebrows, no! So they should look wispy like this. I'm so gonna create a look one day and just glue these bad boys up. Make them look like that. And then I just flatten them with my finger. I'm just gonna use the Morphe liner Mina just to kind of locate where I'm going to apply my burn face. And that's just going to be like this entire half. Doesn't matter if it's in need, this is just pretty much going to help me apply the glue and things like that. Damn, I took most of my lips, so that means we're not gonna have any lips. It's okay, it's okay. This is going to be fun. Okay, so once my line is set, now the more fun part, more glue. More glue. So now I'm going to be using Elmer's glue. I'm just going to put this in a cup so that it's not as messy, but maybe I should have put this on a flat base, but it doesn't matter because it's literally going all over my face, so whatever. And I'm just going to use these like little sponges and then just add that all over my face, like on this half side, and then let that dry. So let's try. Be like your texture. You should look very crazy like this. Like my face is literally stuck on this side. It doesn't have to be very, very neat because throughout these blank spots, we are going to add darker shades, and after we are going to add blood as always. So I'm just using a old brush that I never even use, and I'm just dipping into the glue just to keep that in place. And anything like kind of sticky, I kind of want it to be shaped down. but also looking very tacky so that it can still give it more texture to the burnt skin. That's drying. I'm just going to drag out this red so that it's blended. Some of it's stuck onto the glue and that's fine. I'm going to add Milani's More lip cream. This is in the shade 41 Fabulous. This is probably my favorite fall shade.
Look at this, around it. Just to make that part look kind of, bruised up.
So now I'm just going to kind of create like little holes in the skin. And you can see, like, look, it looks like dead skin. Oh, my skin is peeling. Just take your time with this. And now I'm just going into a darker, like, I just want it to look kind of bruised in certain areas. And then I'm also going to add some reds. So I'm going to use, what is this? Boutique in certain areas, which is just this burgundy brown shadow right here. Some red. So I'm just gonna use Benny and what's this? You're kidding. Yes, you're kidding. Everywhere, pretty much. Going back into, oh my goodness, this is so messy. Now going back into the Milani lip cream. This is in the shade Fabulous. How did I not remember that? I'm just going to add this to certain spots and just kind of blend it out. With the same brush that I applied the other stuff, or the red. Adding some blood. I got mine at my local Spirit, Halloween stores. You guys can find this at your local drugstores at the moment. Halloween stuff is worldwide. And I'm just going to use another one of these like little sponges and add this all over. I want this covering up that white, so I don't want any white at all on my face. This is just the sticky part. Oof, I hate this stuff. Like, look at it. It's so slimy. It's disgusting. Only thing is, this stuff, pop, little bubble. It gets so messy. And just add that all over. I think this would have been better with like a stippling thing, but if you don't got it, use what you got, okay? Okay. I just build up a lot of red and black and burgundy shades just to get that, third degree burn. So now I'm just going to add some blood onto this just to fill in some of those white spots and to give it the illusion that this is like a fresh cut. Overall, I really like it. I mean, I feel like this is very time consuming, but I had so much fun creating this. This is something you can use with what is his name? Freddy Krueger. How do I forget his name? Freddy Krueger costume. This shit would look badass. Realized that I just freaking realized that I did was, I forgot to put foundation over all the white. And so I ended up putting blood early. But, I mean, I didn't mess it up. You can do it either way, but before you add like all the blood and stuff, add foundation so that it matches and it isn't so time consuming. Which one's this? Fake blood gel. It's kind of like thick, so it kind of just resembles blood so well. So badass. I am very happy with the outcome. Like, it looks so good. I think I'm going to just add this concealer as a foundation right now because I don't want to add any foundation, but I do want this side to be a bit lighter. And that's where all my concealer goes. This half face with the Naked Flush Drip Palette. I'm telling you guys, I've gone pan because it has cracked stuff. It's just like the perfect bronzer, especially if you're on the go, you know, trying to hurry up and stuff. This is definitely for you. What's good about that palette is that it has like a beautiful blush and a nice shimmer shade just to highlight. So this is definitely a good like mini palette for your bags. I travel with this. I love it. But this blush is just so pretty. It's like the simple, subtle blush. I find that I can never find a good like a concealer that doesn't crease. This one always creases, so I just kind of like let that sit. Ooh. A little bit of lips that I do have. I'm just going to use Wet n Wild Sandstorm. A lot of you guys were asking about the last shade that I had in my last makeup tutorial, and this was it. It's just the perfect everyday lip color. It's just so natural, matches my lips, so I really like that. And that is it. That is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. Hopefully you guys try this, and if you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram at @IamCassandraLiz. I'm going to link everything down below. Keep up with me. Let's conversate. So yeah, this is it. The half burnt face. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.